Ooh, that felt like a hit. Yep. Oh, decent. He's decent.
Looks good in that fight on top of the water.
Yeah, it's fun. I won't put my rod down in the mud. Yeah, they hit it so quick usually. There it is. There it is. That's a double up right there, bud. Heck yeah, man.
Love that.
Yeah, dude. That's awesome.
That's nice fish.
Heck yeah, dude.
Nice.
I told you. This is the spot, dude. Oh, heck yeah.
Easy
That's
off,
a chunky dude. Look at how big he is.
Yeah, he's a nice fish.
Heck yeah, man.
You want to get a picture and send it to me? You want to get one of both of us?
Yeah. There we go. Just so
Something like that.
Where you at? Heck yeah.
Right. Yeah, that'll work. Thank you, sir.
Shoot, yeah, dude. That's awesome.
Up in the mud there.
Yeah. You can let them go. That's deep right there where
here.
you're at. Yeah. That's usually where I let them go.
There you go. Yeah, it's a good spot for letting them go.
Oop, get you out of there. All right, boss.
Let's do that again.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Good idea. All right, bud. Thank you. Woo!
Quietly? Well, that wasn't so quiet.
Tried to get me. You mad at me?